Hey everyone, hello, namaste, welcome back to your favorite channel Get Peppy with me. So, ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరందరూ? అందరూ చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ ఇవాళ కూడా నేను ఒక సరికొత్త స్టోర్కి వచ్చేసాను, విచ్ ఇస్ ముసాదిలాల్ అండ్ సన్స్ జ్యువెలర్స్ లొకేటెడ్ అట్ పంజాగుట్ట. అండ్ టుడేస్ వీడియో ఇస్ నాట్ లైక్ ఎనీ అదర్ వీడియో. ఎప్పుడు మనం బ్రైడ్స్ గురించే మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాం, లైక్ విల్ సే బ్రైడల్ కలెక్షన్, bridal set of 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces. All of the time we talk about bride, but never we talk about guest. What will guest wear? What will bride's sister wear? What will bride's mother wear? We never talk about all those things because we feel it's not important. But why is that not important? Because jewelry is something that everybody should have and wear on special days. So that's the reason why I have got you different varieties of amazing pieces available here at Musaadilal and Sons Jewelers, which not only brides can wear, bride's mother, sister, guest who are attending wedding can wear. So this collection is definitely focusing that chunk of people who want to look glam on all these special days. So all the women who are watching this video, I am going to show you how can you style a simple outfit like I am wearing in different styles. You can wear pearl malas, you can wear beads, you can wear harams, you can wear gold, you can wear diamond. Everything will look beautiful. It's all on you how you want to amp up yourself on special days, and all these options are available here at Musaadilal and Sons Jewelers, and you guys will not be disappointed if you come here, especially because the store outlet, it's so very lavish and luxurious. It has big sizes mirror everywhere. Big size mirrors are available at the store, which are like special lounge areas where you can actually try your bridal outfit, match it with matching jewelry, or even guests who are attending a special wedding where they want to look like a diva. They can carry their outfit, match it with the jewelry and shop it as per your requirement. And the speciality on top of this here at the store is you have customization options. If you want to customize anything on top of the jewelry that I'm showing, you can definitely reach us out. And on top of that, ade kaakunda meer okavela confused unnaru, store ko chesaru, మీ దగ్గర ఇంత బడ్జెట్ ఉండి 10 lakh ది నాకు చోకర్ సెట్ కావాలి, కానీ ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ విల్ సూట్ మీ, నా దగ్గర ఇలాంటి డ్రెస్ ఉంది, నా ఫేస్ షేప్ ఇలా ఉంది, how will I look like, what kind of jewelry should I buy, should I buy gold, should I buy diamond, should I buy emeralds, should I buy beads? Lot of questions that you have. Endukante while buying jewelry, it's not only about wearing the jewelry, it's also an investment for a lot of people. So we will guide you in the best possible way with the best personalized experience that you will get here at the store. All these options are available. So without wasting any time, let me show you some of the pieces and how can you match it up with your vibe. Like you can see, here are the tanzanite malas, which is in mid length. This is in Victorian design. If you guys are seeing, it's so very beautiful. The tanzanite beads here are like pota tanzanites in so many layers, and in center you can see Victorian design in pure 18 karat gold, and then you can see this engraved work in this big size tanzanite stone, which is really very beautiful to see. Just have a look at this piece. Gold uses minimal, but beads are real premium tanzanite beads. Net weight is 18.670 grams. The center pendant itself is gold here. This one is another piece which is coming in triple layer tanzanite beads, and then center pendant which has this engraved work, and all Victorian design is there in this mid length mala. The net weight of this piece is 13.980 grams. A lot of other pieces are also available in rubies, like this liner ruby mala is available with this center pendant with all pearls here, uneven pearls. They're so very natural and beautiful to see. If you want, you can just wear this kind of Russian emeralds along with matching hanging earring to give you a statement look, or you can just wear this kind of one mid-length ruby mala, which will look really very beautiful if you're attending any of your wedding occasions as a guest. This is the next designer piece. Look at this. It has pearls, oval pearls, freshwater pearls are there, big size ruby potas are there. Potas are very big sizes of rubies, like you can see, and in the center you can see this big pendant. The net weight of the center pendant is coming close to 24.736 grams. It's up to you how you want to customize this. Instead of pearls and rubies, you can have emeralds also. It's completely your choice. How about some gorgeous pearls? Pearls are something which adds up to a woman's feminine charms instantly. Wow, just look at this. It has a beautiful embodiment of Lord Krishna along with Radha, and this kind of a center pendant which is so very unique and divinely. Just look at the design, guys. Wow, the pearls and the luster is brilliant. Net weight is 41.982 grams. It's a net weight of only the center pendant. And this is a double layer pearl mala along with rubies in it. Center pendant is all Victorian design, and this kind of beautiful pearl jhumkis at the bottom with ruby potas. It's a brilliant piece again, guys. I'll also wear and show these pieces to you. Net weight is 26.842 grams. These kind of pearl malas are also available. Look at this round freshwater pearls, or this pearls in different colors and shapes. So like you guys know, pearls are available in different colors: round shape, oval shape, button shape. So these pearls are all round. This piece is very beautiful. This one is also very nice. This is actually unisex, which men can also think of wear on their sherwanis. And here's a quick glimpse of other pieces also available which you can think of wearing. You can just wear this simple jhumki hanging earring. Just look at this, where you have embodiment of Lord Tirumala Balaji Swami. बहुत अच्छा piece है ये. I totally love this. Net weight is 128.420 grams. So this is actually a set of haram along with earring. This set is really very statement. ఆల్ రైట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, చూసారు కదా ఎలాంటి చక్కటి కలెక్షన్ నేను మీకోసం తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. దిస్ వీడియో వాజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ గెస్ట్ ఆర్ బ్రైడ్ సిస్టర్, మదర్, or if you're going to be a guest in a special wedding day where you have to look grand, koncham amplifying look kavalante, this video is something you guys should watch till the end. And if you guys watched it till here, then make it a point that you come to the store. It's not that far also. It's just at Panjagutta, and you can come down and see the varieties available here, or make free WhatsApp video call. I'm sure మీరు ఒకవేళ ఫ్రీ వాట్సాప్ వీడియో కాల్ చేస్తే స్టోర్కి అయితే ఎలాగైనా వస్తారు, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నవి కలెక్షన్ ఎక్కడ మీకు దొరకవు. అండ్ ఆన్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ దాట్, పర్ల్స్తో పాటు గోల్డ్, డైమండ్, పోల్కి, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ హియర్ ఎట్ ది స్టోర్ అండి. విచ్ మీన్స్ బ్రైడ్స్కే కాకుండా గెస్ట్కి, వాళ్ళ మమ్మీకి, వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, ఎవరికైనా మంచి కలెక్షన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సో వితౌట్ వేస్టింగ్ ఎనీ టైమ్, ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు ద స్టోర్, subscribe to the channel if you liked it, share with your family and friends, and stay tuned for another amazing video. Bye.